What's up everybody, welcome to WilliSilicon. I'm Maddie, and today I'm going to take a look at this 3-pack of case fans from GiM. These are the CF-P20 fans from GiM. They're RGB of course, but they're also PWM, which means if you connect them to a fan header on your motherboard, then the speed can be controlled through the motherboard. So you could set fan curves in your motherboard BIOS or other software and automatically have the RPM of your fans increase or decrease depending on the temperature of your CPU, VRMs, or something else that you set up. Okay, so not only are these fans RGB and PWM, but they also have this really cool feature. They have different strips that you can change out to customize the look of your fans. I thought that this was pretty cool, which is why I decided to try them out. The only bad thing that I ran into with these fans was the tool that's used to remove and install these strips. It's pretty bendy and it's basically impossible to hook the strips with it. Luckily, I had something else on hand that worked well enough. Okay, so the fans come with a couple of translucent strips and a couple of solid strips. I was thinking that I would use the sparkly strips, but I decided to stick with the dark tinted ones. I'm sure that I'll be changing these around at some point in the near future. Alright, now the strips are pretty cool, but I think that these fans are aesthetically pleasing even without them. Of course, this is just my opinion, but I think that the white and gray shrouds look awesome and premium. And by the way, this 3-pack is only 20 bucks on Amazon as I'm recording. The RGB looks pretty dope as well, and there's lots of effects that the RGB can do. Now, the fans themselves have proprietary connectors, but this pack comes with a 10-fan controller to connect them to, and then a PWM cable runs from the controller to your motherboard. So you could have 10 of these controlled by just one fan header. Oh, and don't worry, the controller is powered by a SATA cable to cover all that power. And there's also a 5-volt ARGB cable to connect the controller to your motherboard's 5-volt header. So the speed and the RGB can all be controlled in your software. If your motherboard doesn't have all these options, or you don't feel like bothering with all that, then you still have this nifty remote to control it all. I have my fans completely controlled through the motherboard and it works great. I have all the fans controlled by the CPU temperature and a fan curve that I set up in my motherboard BIOS. But I can still change the RGB on the fly with the remote if I want to. I'm really starting to like this brand. I love it when I find inexpensive, good quality products. I don't even want to think about the price of a 3-pack of case fans from some of the major brands. Do you own any GiM products? Let me know what you think about them down in the comments. Smash that like button and subscribe if you're an awesome person. Thanks for watching. Stay safe and have fun.